Welcome to Everything with Reeve! Today we're going to be making Christmas ornaments. So this is a Christmas tree and this is a Santa. So first I'm going to start with my Santa. I'm going to take out all the colors I need. Red, white, well I'm coloring the hat in red. My favorite thing about Christmas is probably getting all the presents. I'll spread it. I know one rule now. Never shake puffy paint. I'm painting the star. I'm gonna paint the tree green. This is live on Reeve's channel. So, Reeve Live has always been invented by Reeve Hamels. This Christmas, I want a puppy. Wait, I do want a puppy now. A real live puppy that I can play with him on TikTok. Please follow my TikTok account at Reeve Hamels. Get a golden retriever. They're so big and grumpy and dolly. Or I would get a little dog. The ornaments of every color ever imagined. Everybody, come see me in action. Make it fast. So Santa comes. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.